Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for the speaker Realme Pocket Bluetooth on your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Realme link. We have it. Click on it and install. Allow, ask app not to track, agree, got it. Now allow also. Now choose your location, then click next, allow while using app, and we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!